Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys one of the very delicious and everyone's most favorite recipe, that is KFC style homemade chicken popcorn. So please try to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Here I explained everything step by step. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and let me know your opinion through the comment section. And also, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without any further delay, let's straight into the video. Here I take 300 gram of chicken breast, which is completely boneless. I just cut in a small pieces of cube sizes. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then I'm going to add 1 egg. After that, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cooking salt. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Just keep in mind that in dark soy sauce there is already salt, so in that cases I already reduced the amount of the cooking salt. Then I'm going to add the garlic and chili sauce. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of garlic and chili sauce. I using the brand Salala, it's a chili garlic sauce. If you want, you can use any brands. So now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. Then I'm going to keep it for marinade for at least 1 hour. So my marination is done. So after 1 hour, now I'm going to frying this one. So for that reason, I need to make the coating. So here I'm using 1.5 cup of normal flour. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of corn flour. After that, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. Here I'm using 1 teaspoon of cooking salt, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic and ginger powder and hot paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 2 pinch of baking powder. So all these 7 ingredients now I'm going to add all together. Now mixing all the dry ingredients properly. Then I'm going to soak the chicken within this flour. So this is the look of the chicken after soaking the flour. I just using the 1 layer, not more than 1 layer. Then after that, I'm remove the extra flour. Then it's ready to start to fry. So this is the look of the chicken. Now here I'm adding 250 ml of sunflower oil. Make the pan hot. Then I'm going to add all the chicken one by one. Then I will cook this chicken 5 to at least 7 minutes. In medium to low heat of temperature. So I'm adding all the chicken one by one. After 5 minutes, this is the look of the chicken. It's now become light golden brown in color and it's almost done. Now I'm turning the flame to the lower heat of temperature. So after another 2 minutes, this is the look of the chicken. So in total, I did cook this chicken in total 7 minutes. 5 minutes in medium to lower heat of temperature and rest of the 2 minutes in lower heat of temperature. So this is the final look of my chicken. It's completely exactly like a KFC style and the taste is very delicious and yummy. So anyone can like this recipe. Please try to make this recipe at home. So if you are new in my channel, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.